As some of you may know, I mount my paintings in a floating frame. The painting that I'm going to frame measures 25 by 25 centimeters. This is the smallest size I currently make. I always make sure that the surface on which I work is soft and cannot damage the frame. I use a piece of sound insulation that does the job well. The painting must of course be varnished before you frame it. I now apply some wood glue to the spacers. The spacers are needed to bring the painting a little bit up. After all, a floating frame is also used for a thicker canvas. I now place the painting in the frame and try to center it. On each side I have about 1 centimeter space between the panel and the frame. This gives the illusion that the painting floats in the frame. Using pieces of model cardboard of exactly 1 centimeter, I position the painting centrally in the frame. Now the wood glue can dry. I fix the painting to the frame with screws, which of course should not be too long, otherwise they will get through your artwork. Measuring is knowing before you start. First I make an indication where the screw should come. I use some hair wax as a lubricant for the screws. That way you reduce the risk of the wood to split. For such a small size, 6 screws are more than enough. I place a few felt pads at the bottom so that the wall will not be damaged. Now it is time to attach the hanging system. In my case, I use 2 metal screws and a piece of metal wire. In this way, the painting will hang really close to the wall. The same applies here. Again, some hair wax on the screw to prevent splitting the wood. And voila! The painting is ready to hang on the wall. Make sure that the iron wire is well behind the hook. You definitely don't want your painting to fall off the wall. Your painting is perfectly framed and ready for years to enjoy. Well, that's it for now. See you in the next one.